Yes, here is I'm trying to show you the highlights and what you're going to be seeing in the video, and you can see how I'm trying to arrange the hair though it had a damaged hairline, but the hair pieces that we're going to be using, this is the only trick that you can always use when you're doing these twists and they last. And then we're going to continue with our method of the inside knotless, and this is how we do it. So more in the video, and you can see even the twisting, we're going to be twisting it this way. I'm trying to show you just a little bit. The outcome is this, you see.
Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master.
Maurice, the crochet master.
Alright, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing. And if you haven't, please make sure that you click on that red button, ring the bell, so that you be seeing all my uploads every week. Yes, we are going to be seeing on how to do the passion twist, and this time around, I like being creative and I believe in doing something that is unique. That's why I say I do it my way. So if you also do it your way, please join me as we are learning on how to do this. So first of all, I always want to first arrange my lines, and this is the material we're going to use. It is for darling. It is called passion test for darling. So we are going to be seeing on how we can achieve the outcome. So after making my lines perfect in that portion, the method I'm going to use is this one. Just try to look here. I'm doing this just like that, and then I try to make sure that I plait it from down this way. So when I'm done with that, I make sure that I plait at least like twice, so that the threes doesn't show too much. Then I circle it, I tie it here. But whenever we're tying, we just have to tie only the hair, because remember, sometimes when we tie the hair and the hair with this extension, when someone is unplaiting it, someone might cut it all, you understand? So you just have to tie the extension only. So as we are going through, we can see how we are twisting it, and when you're twisting it, you just have to follow these curls the way they are. Yes, sorry, like you just have to follow them the way they are, so that you can see the twisting the way it looks. So what I did here, since the curls are always very they're nice, I just tried to mix up two colors. So it is not like you can always mix only these two colors. For you might choose to mix yours. Yes, you might choose to mix your colors, and they also work nicely. So this is how you just have to do it this way, just like that. You see, just very, very simple, like the way we have been twisting these, the way I've been doing the passion twist. So the same thing, though the only difference is the way I'm starting it from down. Most of you guys, there's the way you start it your way, but now here I do it my way. So I start it from inside this way, and I always tell you that whenever you learn this technique, it will always help you, like your hair will start lasting longer. And another thing is that anytime you feel like you want to repair, you can either lock it, or even you just try, you can just unplate it, and then you plate it again, but mostly like the front line. So this is how, just have to make sure that you tie it very well, very tight. Yes, just like that. After plating the threads from down, so then there you can start the twisting. So that's how you can always maintain this. So I'm trying to show you the different ways on how you can achieve the starting, because that is the most important thing. And because now the twisting, everyone knows how to twist, but now the starting is the main point. So here you should always try also to mind about the hairline. Remember, our hairline was very weak, so it is going to be very dangerous saying like using this volume, this kind of volume, and then we hold a small portion of hair. Like the way I've been telling you that whenever you pack, like when you try to pack in front, it means you're going to hold small, like little hair. And now when you hold little hair and you try and you put a bigger extension, that is very dangerous. It means anytime your hair might break, you understand. So you just have to make sure that you measure the extension that you're going to plait is also equivalent to that hair that you'll be plating. So according to the hairline that I'm doing, it is weak, like you have seen it the first place. So even the extension that I'm doing, yes, it is somehow bigger, but what I'm trying to do here, also trying to apply the I'm trying to do it with a big extension. I don't know, like I'm trying to apply it on the hair that like this. I put a lot of hair, like I make sure that the hair is also going to hold my extension for a while, like not to make it break, you understand. So that is what I'm trying to do. And please, if you want to learn more things, if you want to learn more things, you can always click in my description. There is a link. Yes, it can take you straight to the courses that we always do, the courses of the inside knotless, the inside corners, and the way of doing the extended dreadlocks temporarily, and you also learn how to do that. So this is the only way that you can do the inside knotless. You start this way, then you make sure that you as gentle as possible, you understand. Because now here when you try to be rough, or no maybe like to make it hard, remember this is like spring twists, they always stretch, so they're going to make the hair tension, and then it leads to break the hair. So what you should always do, try to be as flexible as possible to make sure that at least the way you hold the hair, it is not that, like it's not too, like it is not, you don't make it too tight. That's what I always try to advise you, mostly like whenever you're doing this inside knotless, because for it is the most protective technique that you can always do, and your hairline can always be protected. So this is what I get for you, and you can also try to mix other colors. Me, I try to make color 20, is it color 30, and black color 1. So for you, you can choose to do like maybe maroon, that is 900, and then plus black. Yes, it also works. So yes, try to be creative so that you always do something that is very unique to your clients. So this is what I got for you, and trust me, big shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are. I really do love you so much, and may God bless you. Please keep on doing it every day. So this is what I get for you. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. I love you so much. Those ones who are subscribing and the return subscribers, please, you're most welcome. So you should always click on that red button, ring the bell, and see what I got for you. I always upload videos every week. At least I make sure I upload a video every week. So it means we just have to be there, and we get to learn different hairstyles. And I told you that this channel is the most channel that, like, we have different types of hairstyle that you would need to learn and do it yourself. So just look here, you can see like the hairline is really weak, so I just try to make sure that even when I'm applying, I make sure that I held like a big hair. So if she would want me to pack them, it means like these ones I was going to make like 2 portions, you understand? And now that is dangerous, you understand? That is dangerous, the hair like to overpack, mostly like in front when the hair is weak and broken. So if you use this method, and maybe you're trying to use like a big extension, you should always also try to make a shape of a bigger, like if the lines that you're making, they're also supposed to be this bigger, so that the hair can hold the extension for all that long. So please, I'd like you to enjoy the video, try to see how it's going to look. I love it already. I love the colors, how I blended them, and on someone who is brown, so it means it's going to look mwah. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master. May God bless you all. This is what I got for you. Let's try to watch the twisting and the ending, and you see what I got for you today. Bye bye, see you in my next video.
Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the cricket master, didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris, your crochet master.